How to create Binance Web3 Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can create Binance Web3 Wallet. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can create your own Binance Web3 wallet, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. First of all, launch the Binance application on your device. If you don't have the Binance application, simply head over to the Google Play Store and download the application from there. After that is done, you just need to simply log in into your account and you'll be able to see your interface of Binance on your screen. So you just need to head over to this yellow box at the top left after you are logged in into your account, and you'll be taken to another page where with your account available here. So you can look up for this option called recommend, under where you can find different kind of services, including the option called more services here. Just click on it and you'll be taken to another page where you'll be finding this option called Web3 Wallet. Very easily, just click on it and you'll be taken to another page where you can create your own Web3 wallet. Just tap on create wallet and you'll be taken to another page where you need to verify, like add security verification process. One of them is authenticator app and email. Just click on authenticator app, then you'll be receiving a 6-digit code from your Google authenticator app. Enter the Google authenticator app and a check mark will appear beside the authenticator app. After that is done, head over to the email. You will be receiving a 6-digit code onto your email. Just enter the 6-digit code from your email here and the process will be completed and your Web3 wallet will be created. And also make sure to back up your wallet so that the funds will be backed up even if you open up your account into a new device. So therefore, just follow that process and you should be able to create your Web3 wallet using Binance application very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.